Hi guys, my name is Gavin and I'll be talking about vermicomposting as a way to develop and maintain the new green economy. These plants and vegetables are all grown in compost-rich soils using compost that was processed and harvested right here on this residence. And this is where all the magic of composting happens, at the worm bed. This household takes all its kitchen scraps and garden wastes and throws it onto the worm bed, and the worms in turn make vermicompost and worm tea. This is a look at one of the little critters that is very busy at work making valuable vermicompost and worm tea. The produced vermicompost can be sold to gardeners, farmers and resellers, thus promoting entrepreneurship. Another advantage of this on-site vermicomposting is that all the organic waste from the kitchen and from the garden is diverted away from the refuse bin into the worm bed. This means less organic waste going to the landfill and less methane emissions. This system of on-site composting can be used at all waste management facilities, including on-site at shopping malls. Shopping malls generate a lot of waste and they have a big challenge in trying to maintain their organic waste. By having modular, industrial-sized worm bins on site, modular so that the modules can be added or taken away depending on the site, its operational needs, and on site to reduce the cost of transporting raw organic waste to third-party service providers. The vermicomposting system is reasonably self-managed in that the worms regulate their numbers depending on the container size, and they won't leave the vermicomposting bin as long as the vermicompost bin is regulated to maintain moisture and heat conditions. The worms like cool, moist places with lots of bedding. A site like a shopping mall will produce huge amounts of vermicompost and worm tea, the resale of which could make the site quite profitable. This will also help the shopping mall to divert all its organic waste to the worm bins and away from the landfills, helping it to realize its integrated waste management plans.